Jordan Chamberlain is a Swiss CNC machinist at Rugo Machine Shop Services. He creates component metal and plastic parts for industries such as medical, defense, automotive, and aerospace. What's unique about Jordan is the path he took to get here, and it all started with an early love of building things.
Since I was 5, I think I said that I wanted to be an engineer when I grew up. I love building things. I love, everything that I have, I built, and I started, just with Legos, Lincoln Logs, stuff like that,
That love of engineering was developed and fostered in elementary school when Jordan attended Canyon Ridge as part of the STEM program. He then moved to the engineering program at Shadow Ridge High School to continue his passion.
We learned how everything worked, how to make things. We would have tests on designing the programs, and so we did, the 3D designing and all that in there.
After 3 years in the engineering program at Shadow Ridge, Jordan was looking to further his education. That's when an opportunity presented itself, as West-MEC was starting their precision manufacturing program.
They had come into our engineering class one day and they said, we're the West-MEC program and we're starting a precision manufacturing class, because it was the first year that they were offering that. And so me and a couple of my friends were interested in doing it, so we looked into it and signed up for it as one of our classes.
The West-MEC program turned out to be a perfect next step for Jordan as he took the foundational skills he learned at Canyon Ridge and Shadow Ridge and put them to use in a hands-on environment.
I don't think if I would have taken the engineering program at Shadow Ridge, I would have been as prepared. Shadow Ridge's was more of learning like the programs and what each term is and what they're used for. And so then going to West-MEC is kind of the practical application of it. We actually have machines that we can work on, and so then you learn how those work there.
As it turns out, all those engineering-related educational programs provided Jordan the opportunity to get a job in his field right out of high school.
And there was actually people from manufacturing firms that would come to our West-MEC that had heard about us, and they said, do you have anyone that's interested in a job? What kind of experience do you guys have and certifications and things? And so Lindsay actually came down to our shop and she, asked if there was anyone that was looking for a job.
From the beginning, when we were even just interviewing Jordan, and he was able to, we have a machinist exam that we give, and he was more than able to pass that exam. And then from on the job, his first day on the job, when he could show us that he really understands a lot of the industry terminology, he was able to use all of the inspection equipment to do the in-process inspections, micrometers, calipers, different gauges. Through a lot of things like that, we really felt that Jordan was a great addition to our team here at RMSS, and the program at West-MEC in the Dysart School District had really prepared him to be successful in this career.
Jordan was the first employee Rugo Machine Shop Services hired right out of high school, as they have very specific skills needed for their positions.
We're looking for people that have some strong mechanical aptitude, along with a good eye for problem solving, critical thinking. Also, we're looking for people, especially in the entry level, that are motivated to continue learning and expanding their skill set, taking what they might have learned in school and applying it to their vocation and expanding it from there.
While working at Rugo Machine Shop Services, Jordan will also be working toward his associate degree and eventually bachelor's degree in engineering. He attributes all of his success to hard work and taking advantage of the opportunities provided.
I never thought, 18 years old, I'd be working in a machine shop. I was kind of, doubtful of it, how can something, that you're just, taking as a class in high school going to get you, a job in the future, but, it's just, it gives people the opportunity to basically just say, if you're willing to work for it, you'll be successful, and you'll be able to do it as long as you're willing to put forth the effort.